Now that you've seen the power of CSS, let's add some to our visual hierarchy. In my code editor here, you can see I fleshed out the page a little bit, adding some of the required HTML tags. You'll learn more about those later. And in between the head tags, underneath the title tag we have here, I'm just going to add some simple CSS. We're going to apply most of these styles to the body. So I'm going to write body and then some curly braces. Again, you'll learn exactly what all of this syntax means later. And we will give this a background color of gray. But we'll also center all of the text. So for that, we can use a property called text align, and then we can say center. So now if I save this and go back to the browser, you'll see that we've changed the styles up a little bit. But there's some more we can do here. First, let's make this a lighter gray. So we'll look for light gray. But we'll also increase the size of the text. We can do that very simply by writing font size and then 2em. This will double the size of the text. And now it's a lot easier to read. So with some of these basic styles, we've already begun changing the look and feel of our website. And as we add more markup, we can do even more. So the last thing we'll do here is add a HTML tag called section. We'll put all of our text in between the section tags, and we'll make sure everything is properly indented. And then we can add some custom styles to section. So let's make the background for section white. We'll add some spacing by using the padding property. And let's remove our text align center. And the last thing we'll do is assign a width to section of 900 pixels. So now you can see, even though our background is gray, our text has a white background, which again makes the text a lot easier to read, and it has a max width of 900 pixels. This is just the beginning of what we can do in CSS. There are lots of things that you can do, as you saw on CSS Zen Garden, and we're going to dive deeper into all of that stuff later.